Hey, look what I found at the thrift store. Two of them, matter of fact. They're extremely heavy. Let's see if you can tell. Well, you can't really tell by the sound it makes. But I'll probably paint them like shabby chic or something. I don't know. I almost didn't get them because they were $14. And I like to get my stuff dirt cheap, but I left them laying there, but I went back and got them. But here's one that I kind of opened up where you can tell, and you can see the little crystal things have fallen off, and there's a bag of them that was with it. Some of them probably missing, but I'll figure something out. And one of my favorite things, I'll just set it up here temporarily, is this right here. It's got acrylic crystals, I think. I don't know. But one of them's missing. And I'll probably paint it some color, I don't know. And oh, it was it was dirtier than the chandeliers. I had to wash it. But I thought it was all metal. But I think that part's plastic, but that's fine with me. I'm not picky. And since I'm up here, there's a little street light I got at the thrift store. Well, with this thing, I think I gave $2.99. Let's see. Well, it ain't gonna, yeah. And that was probably 99 cents. It was cheap. I don't remember. And there's my little poodle and kitty. I just put this in front of them for now. And I got this sleigh at the thrift store. And the Santa. I don't really like his face. He's kind of mean looking. But anyway, there's a few of the things. And this was just what, yesterday? The lamppost and the sleigh and all that was another day. And the chandeliers were yesterday. And there's my fake dusty fireplace that I can't use because it hooks to natural gas, and out here in the country we don't have natural gas, so and here, let me move it. It's a little chair I got from a vanity, and I gave $9.99 for it. It's been a while since I got it, but I liked it a lot, and I'll probably leave it all rough and beat up looking. And let's see, let me get in the floor. I don't want to show you everything at once, so okay. I got these for $1 a piece, and I don't like the wheat. That'll be covered with something, and I'll paint them. And see, I would never hang them up there looking like that. I just don't like that. But you can do other things. I've got a box of these. I've been buying them over the years to do something with, and like, let's see, you can see I made door handles. I turned the candle holder part upside down and cut the candle holder part off, where I just have that little loop handle. And I know the doors are all plain. I gotta do something, and I ain't wild about the shiny paint. But anyway, you can do lots of stuff with these. And I was thinking maybe, you know, I could even put them together, and well, they ain't together good, and make some kind of hanging decoration with lights. Paint it shabby chic. You can see my unfinished. I have a lot of unfinished projects. I got this waste basket. I had to give 3 for it. That's kind of high, but it's heavy duty. I've already bleached it. And I have a few of these. Let's see, this one costs, they're usually $99. And that one was $1.99, but it just depends on who prices it, I guess. And I'll use them out in my shop. My others are pink and purple, I think. And I may even paint this one, because out in my shop, if I ever get it cleaned out where I can work out there, I have a lot of bright colors. And so I can hang, you know, jewelry or whatever that I buy for my projects on these things. You know, I can use them for something. And I'd pass these up. And they were still there. They were 99 cents, but they're metal. And I guess they go on their candle holders. So I can find a use for them. And these were cute. Let's see if I can get them both together. I thought those were real cute. I'll do something with them. And this is a decoration for my shop. And I'm probably going to paint this part pink or white or something. I just like the bright colors out there. And it's just one of my decorations for out there. And my boyfriend told me, you know, it's a shop. It's going to get dirty and all the decorations I put out there. And I said, well, dirty pretty looks better than dirty ugly. So, and like, let's see. These things, if they're sturdy enough, I'll paint them and make hooks out of them. I want, like, every hook to be pretty in my shop, if possible, and everything. So, you know. Okay, and these, I ain't even opened it. I don't know if it's one string or what. But they're all strung together, and it was 49 cents. And then, these are $1 a piece. And, so I got $2 worth the other day. I can use them on my mannequins or whatever, just for crafts. So I'll just buy a few of those every once in a while. But anyway, I just wanted to show you some of my goodies, and I think I can really do something nice with these. And I'm thinking what I might do, see the top's pretty, and I'm kind of thinking maybe, since I have low ceilings, in my bathroom above the sink I have 2 lights. And I might can use it to a certain point. I don't know, it'd probably still be too low to use that light. But then it wouldn't be so heavy, you know, just, I'd have to figure out how to take the wires out for these arms. I don't really know what I'll do with them, but you can see the potential. And they could, I mean, for the right decor, it could be cleaned up and just used like they are, but I don't know. I'll probably tear them to pieces and paint them and do something with them. But just wanted to show you some of my finds. Thanks for watching, and please hit like and please share. And if you ain't subscribed, please subscribe. Thanks.